Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. And today what we have is an unboxing for the DJI Air 2S. I've been after a drone for quite a while now, and I was actually very close to actually purchasing the Mavic 2, but luckily I was scrolling YouTube and I did manage to find out that obviously this one was coming out, so I decided to hold out and just wait for this one. Now this has come directly from DJI. Normally I would order everything from Amazon. The day of the launch, which was when I actually ordered it, there were no 2Ss available on Amazon. They had the normal Mavic 2. So for that reason, I actually purchased this directly from DJI, and I will have some links down in the description below. So we do have some tear strips on either side, so we'll tear those away. Okay, so let's get this opened up. This is the Fly More combo pack, by the way, the bundle. I did basically want to go for it just for the extra batteries, as well as all the extra little goodies that you get with it, the ND filters, things like that. So opening up the box, we are presented with the DJI sort of pouch, the carrying pouch, just there. And we also get a accessories bundle as well as a quick start guide as well. So what we'll do is we'll get the box out of the way. And first thing we will do is dive in and actually take a look at the drone itself. Now this is my first drone. I've never had a drone before, so this will be interesting in terms of seeing exactly how easy it is to use. I have been watching quite a few videos, so hopefully that should stand me in good stead when it comes to just picking up how to use it, all the little tricks and sort of shortcuts that you can use in terms of getting some really nice footage. So first thing is the remote. The remote isn't actually as big as I thought it might be. Once again, some of the pictures online do make it look a lot bigger. So there is the remote, and what we'll do is we'll screw on the little thumbsticks. So there we go. So we'll just pop that to a side. Next up is the drone itself, and yeah, this is very small. So we'll just pop that to a side. First thing we'll do is we'll just empty this out and take a look at exactly what we get. So the drone goes on the right hand side, so that's everything in that particular pouch. Next to that, I believe this is the charging dock that you get with it, because you do get the 3 batteries. And let's take a look at what we get in here. So this, I believe, will be the power adapter as well as all of the spare batteries. Now it'll be interesting to see how much charge these actually come with. So that is empty. So this, I believe, is the individual charger. So a couple of USB-A ports on there. Power bank adapter, okay. And here we have the spare batteries. Okay, so the quick start guide, I may take a look at this a little later on. Initially I'm going to try and just have a go at everything myself without actually going through the quick start guide. As I say, I've been watching quite a few videos, so hopefully that should make it pretty straightforward. What I've also done is I've gone ahead and set up the app, and logged in, registered it, everything like that. The one thing I haven't done is I've not actually taken out the cover that you can take, the extra insurance if you like. And initially I wasn't going to, but what I might do now is I might actually buy it and just add it on. Main reason for that is I was thinking that I didn't really want to be paying any extra, so if it gets lost, it gets lost. But for the sake of 110 or 120 odd pounds extra, you may as well just get the cover, and that way you've got a little bit of peace of mind. Now, the one thing on the cover that I did see was I don't think they actually replace it for a new not gimbal, a new drone every single time. The wording of on the website does kind of suggest that they're giving you refurbished units, so that's something that I'd like to actually find out about first. In terms of the ND filters, we do have 4 of them there. So we have 4, 8, 16 and 32, and these are bayonet style locking systems, so they just twist straight on. There we go. Okay, and what else? We get a load of cables as well. We get some extra thumbsticks, and we get some charging cables, and then we get a load of blades as well. So I believe the Flymore kit actually comes with extras. This is essentially everything that you get in the kit. Okay, so that is the unboxing and first look. What I will be doing is getting this set up and having a little play about with it. I may throw some footage into the end of this video if I can get it done in time. If not, what I will do is I'll have a lot of follow-up videos with samples as well as my thoughts. I have already been asked for a very similar review that I did for the Insta360 Go 2, basically just being as critical as possible, because most reviews that you see, they're never really picking up on anything. They're not really telling you all of the sort of downsides. To be fair, most of the Air 2S reviews that I've actually seen, they're not too bad. A couple of YouTubers in particular who've picked up on quite a few different issues that they've already picked up on, either through firmware, through the app, through the additional smart controller. Obviously I just have the normal standard controller here, and I'll probably just stick with this because at the moment I don't really want to be spending the extra money. What I'll do is I'll have a play about with it, and then I'll have a lot more footage coming. I literally just wanted to get this video filmed and uploaded as soon as possible, that way I can have a bit of a play about with the actual drone itself. So if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon, that way you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'd really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up as well. And other than that, thanks very much for watching.